Join discord.gg/flatearth and enter a check-in room. Someone will come along and verify you to get involved in the conversation about our Earth.
You're like, oh man, I didn't waste them, but goodness gracious.
Do you guys go outside?
Yeah, dude, who the fuck, dude? Are you kidding me?
I'm taking 2 bike rides today. Who the hell do you think you are?
Dude, Flat, you sound like a fat person, like a really, really fat person.
Back in the day, dude, it was nothing. We didn't have the internet to fucking go and troll people with. We fucking went outside and trolled each other in real life. And if it came down to it, you got your ass beat, or you fucking
troll
the
people
fuck up.
in real life. You would like pants them and like look at their underwear or something.
Dude, people didn't have the mouth like you had back then.
Yeah, you would get underwear on your head or something.
Nah, they'd have dentist appointments.
Yeah.
Yeah, they would be getting a beating.
Oh my god.
Nobody wants to touch your underpants, buddy.
Fatsy talks.
Give that clown a full wedgie.
White knight. Dude, protector.
Be hanging from the locker handles.
Get him a
You
nuclear
keep your bloomers. Yeah, keep your bloomers.
Let's talk about this flat Earth thing.
Yeah, do that. Yeah.
So it's like, is it globe or is it flat?
False
I don't know. Go outside.
Definitely not.
Do you go outside? Oh, hold on. Do you go outside? You asked us if we went outside. Do you go outside?
Jedi and markoooo, the numpty dipshit. Jedi, it's all yours, man. Don't interrupt them.
Do you go outside, boyfriend? That was the first question you asked us. Do you go outside?
No.
You don't. You stay indoors. Okay. Do you notice with your own eyes any curvature over distances of water?
Like I don't know. I see like the sun goes up and it goes around and then boom.
Yeah, I wasn't talking about the sun. I was talking about the water. Do you notice any curvature to the Earth over a distance of water, not the sun?
No.
Awesome. Do you sense, feel, or detect any motion to the Earth?
Like when I like jump off something, yeah, like it pulls me down.
When you're standing still, do you feel or observe or detect any motion to the Earth?
No.
Awesome. So you don't see a ball and you don't feel the Earth moving, even though you are told that it is a ball and that it is moving. You're also told that it's a ball that is moving through the vacuum of space. Tell me, my friend, do you know how to demonstrate gas pressure without a container around the gas?
No.
Awesome. See, they tell us that the Earth is an open system with gas pressure. According to laws of nature, that gas pressure should disperse
Isn't the container? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. According to the model,
interrupt or no?
Open system. No, that's fine. You'll interrupt when I've finished. According to the model, the Earth is an open system, so devoid of a container, which means the gas is free to disperse into the lower pressure environment, and devoid of the necessary antecedent to cause gas pressure, that would be the container. So being as you don't see a ball, or feel a ball in motion, and can't demonstrate gas pressure without a container, why do you think that you're living on a spinning ball flying around a vacuum of space?
Wait, but like it's like gravity, you know, like isn't that kind of like a force that's like making the container? Like if we were to think, like I don't know if you guys believe in gravity because that would mean the Earth is round. So like,
why would we need to believe it if it's scientifically validated?
Okay, then because I don't know, because you guys don't believe the world is round.
No, we don't. No, that's a straw man. What gravity are you talking about?
Okay, so like what's keeping the gas in the container of Earth is like
which gravity are you talking about?
I didn't interrupt Jedi. I let him finish his talk. So quantum.
What fucking gravity are you talking about, moron?
Okay. So you like interrupted me That's kind of rude. And I let Jedi.
And then he called you a name too.
Because I don't know. I was talking with Jedi.
All right. No worries. Marco, when you said gravity, what we're going to point out to you is there is no scientific experiment that proves any type of gravity, which is why QE come in and asked you which one you're talking about, because there's more than one and both haven't scientifically been proven. Newton, mass attracting mass, no scientific experiment that proved that shit, and he didn't even want to be associated with the quote-unquote magic at a distance. This was superseded over 108 years ago by Einstein's general relativity and the bending and warping of space-time, which is mathematics-based and not scientific. Therefore, there is no scientific experiment that proves gravity, my friend. It's not just because we're flat earthers, it's because there isn't one.
Okay, so then why am I able to predict when an object moves and I can predict an object landing somewhere using the force constant of gravity?
Oh, really? The force of constant? What the fuck is that?
Or I don't know, using calculations, if you you can predict any object
and stuff. Yeah.
Well, I could do that right now.
Yeah. No, we'll show it in live stream. So I got a fucking amoeba in.
Hey, show the special relativity calculations in live stream.
You fucking idiot! I got an amoeba in my hand. Show the force of calculations while it drops to my desk. You dumb fuck.
Okay, then show the special relativity.
Special relativity. You're a dumb fuck.
All right, let's try and dumb this down. My friend Marco, do you know what a triangle is?
No. I know what a square is.
Dude, it's a really simple question. I know you know what a triangle is, but to get the conversation underway, you've got to ask that question. Do you know what a triangle is, mate?
Oh, yeah, I know what a triangle is.
Awesome. So 3 straight lines meeting at 3 vertices where we can measure 3 interior angles that must reach 180 degrees, yes?
Sure.
Yes? Yeah, awesome stuff. Can you measure 2 angles if one of those lines is curved within that triangle? With a protractor, for example, can you do that?
I don't know.
You can't measure an angle if one of those lines is curved, can you? If one of those lines is curved in a triangle, you would bastardize 2 angles. Let's say, for example, you've got a 90-degree angle, but then I bend the horizontal line and put the protractor down on it. Can I measure 90 degrees? No is the answer. Correct?
Okay.
Awesome. Do you know what navigating by the stars is? Celestial navigation.
Wait, excuse me? I didn't hear you.
Do you know what navigating by the stars is? Celestial navigation. Have you ever heard of that before?
Yeah, I think they did it in the 1600s when they went across the ocean blue to find America.
Yeah, exactly. They used. Have you heard of a sextant, an angle measuring device? Have you heard of that device before?
A what?
Sextant. It's a protractor, basically.
They're retards? They're not retards. They're actually really intelligent. No, sorry, it's my roommate.
It's okay, no problem. We're just talking about triangles at the moment. So you understand. You understand that with a sextant, my friend, that we measure angles up to stars, yes? Let's say Polaris. That's 45 degrees above the horizon, yes?
Oh, all my roommates are here. They want to listen to your spiel.
Okay, that's absolutely fine. So if we understand what a triangle is, and we understand that within celestial navigation, we use triangle.
Like isosceles?
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what.
Right-angle triangle.
Just the right angle triangle. And for everybody in the background, I'll ask you this question. Can you measure an angle within a triangle if one of those lines is curved? Yes or no? Let's all hear you shout no. Because you'd be right, wouldn't you? You cannot measure an angle if one of those lines is curved. Awesome. Within celestial navigation, what we do is we measure angles up to stars. Basically, we draw a triangle between us, that star, downwards, vertical, so it has a ground position, and then I'm just going to shush you, and then a straight line from that ground position to you.
It's
now,
you
must understand.
Triangle.
Yeah, so it's a right angle.
It's called
like your little
elevation angle. Hello? Elevation angle, right angle triangle. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Continue, Jedi.
Awesome stuff. So this is what we do with celestial navigation. We build right angle triangles. Now, as we've just answered, you cannot measure an angle, let alone two, if one of those lines is curved. See, for celestial navigation.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah,
My roommate wants to say that it's not an angle if it's curved. So you're not
exactly.
using
No, exactly. That's the fucking point, my friend. You cannot measure an angle if one of those lines is curved.
But it's not an angle.
Yeah.
It's not.
So if hold on. If the surface,
it's not an angle.
dude, listen. If the surface of the Earth is curved, a ball, then we wouldn't be using celestial navigation and angle measuring devices to navigate across the Earth, because the ball surface of the Earth would be curved, bastardizing two of your angles. You wouldn't get 90 degrees on a curved surface to begin with to formulate your right angle triangle, and you're not going to be measuring an angle up from a curved surface to get an elevation angle. Therefore, the Earth is required. Hold on, my friend, shush.
But you guys
the Earth is required to be. I haven't finished my fucking point yet, Sunshine. I'm literally just getting to the crescendo where I stick my fucking finger up your ass.
Dude, we've been listening to your spiel and we want to talk.
Shush. Yeah, well, let me finish and then you can.
Hey,
the
no
Earth,
angles.
Good. The Earth is required to be flat to navigate with the stars. The Earth cannot be a ball. You understand, right? If the Earth was a ball, there'd be a curved line.
Have you ever been to space?
You can't go to space.
Thermodynamics violation, red herring fallacy.
So you got 3 retards in one room.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous. Still, hey, exactly what Jedi was talking about. I posted in the chat figure 2. Yep, that's where I was going. So I posted in the chat figure 2. See how they drew that curved blue thing right there, bastardizing the angles like Jedi was talking about. But they're going to explain here, right? Figure 2, the angle measured with the sextant is in reality one corner of a right triangle formed by you, the celestial body, and its geographical position on Earth.
Be concise. Let them speak. Go ahead.
Oh, I kind of like something.
Have a 90-degree fucking right triangle on a sphere.
Or better yet, just define what a triangle is. Does it require 3 straight lines, or can 2 of them be straight and 1 be curved?
So, like, when you do this thing on the map, it's on like a 2-dimensional map, right? When you're drawing the little triangles.
It's like,
what the fuck? You're not drawing anything on a map. You're measuring it with a sextant for right now.
But
what'd you call me?
But you're going what?
Why are you so angry, dude?
I called you a numpty dipshit cran munching fucking retard.
What, dumb fuck? But you're going what?
You have like a wife?
Hey, QE, I was expecting you to be like, hey, thanks, Lou. Like, you know, one of those. It's not normally not my thing.
Yeah, that's cool. Do you have a wife? You fucking clown. You're all you are is heliocentric, ball-tard spinning space monkeys. You don't know what a fucking triangle is. What, define a fucking triangle.
Wait, space doesn't exist though. So like, does space exist?
No. Space exists. The vacuum of space doesn't exist. Why? Because it's the second law of thermodynamics violation. Do you know what the second law of thermodynamics is, Crown Munchers?
It's like the entropy thing, Crown Muncher.
Yeah, the entropy thing. Define entropy.
It's like disorder. So like more disorder.
Fuck, it's not. You fucking dumb fuck clown. It's not disorder. It's the exact opposite of that. Do you understand that?
Sometimes it is defined, QE, as order to disorder, but that's extremely
exactly QE. It's disorder to order.
Stay out of this.
Yeah,
you're wrong. So you just said mean things.
Oh, I got it wrong. Okay, well let's see that. Let's see if I got this fucking wrong. So we'll go to the second law of thermodynamics. order and disorder. The dumb fuck crayon muncher thinks I got it wrong. Oh boy. You just open up a whole can of whoop ass. So let's see here. Let's see if entropy can define as order and disorder. 1 second, please. Thank you for your patience.
Strange Days would like us all to stop bowing down to you as well.
Holy fucking shit. So, you said entropy was order versus disorder. One moment, please.
Markoooo, you might want to be paying attention to this, my friend. It is going to be educational for you. What QE is getting for you is a citation.
All right. So, dumb fucks. Yeah, that's you, Markoooo. Somebody posting live stream. Are you in live stream right now, Mr. Disorder? Entropy?
No.
You're not? Somebody put him in live stream so he can see this. I'm going to read him out after he can see it.
Got it.
2 seconds.
The first Wikipedia page.
That's real funny, huh? You incoherent
entropy
wench.
is simply the measure of disorder.
You incoherent wench. Right? It's your ass in a fucking sling here in a second. As soon as Markoooo dumb fuck gets in live stream.
A big question for you. How much do you weigh, big sir?
Yeah, your sister. At 53 minutes after the hour, remember you said entropy was disorder? From Dr. Frank Lambert, entropy is simple qualitatively from the Journal of Chemical Education. This guy is a legend in the second law of thermodynamics. Listen up fucking closely. This view was broached partially in a previous article that showed disorder was outmoded and misleading as a descriptor for entropy. I knew this back in 1998, right? Because I have a biochemistry degree, you fucking morons. From Frank Lambert again, Dr. One Each, Journal of Chemical Education. Entropy is not fucking disorder. It's not a measure of fucking disorder. It's not a driving force. So the last one from Chem Libre text. There is no basis in physical science for interpreting entropy change as involving order and disorder. You fucking wiki parroting pretender clown numpty dipshits. What do you got to say for yourself?
So you just like pulled up
a fucking clown is what you are. Right? That's what you are in that wench beside you. The little giggling wench. Right? Yes?
You can't say anything. You keep muting us.
Yeah, so
you're quieting the masses.
Yes? Kiss my fucking ass. Say yes to the dress, motherfuckers.
You watched Yes to the Dress? Like for gay people.
Right.
Fuck off.
All right, so Markoooo, do you understand that you were correct when you said entropy, and understanding entropy removes the vacuum of space? Do you know the difference between an open and a closed system?
Yeah, but wait, you said I was right about entropy, or I was wrong? I'm just like asking you.
No, you said entropy. You might have said something, but you were getting there, so I'm going to try and catch on to that because you understand
that whole thing about
stupid stuff. Let's just follow me. It's okay. So you know the difference between an open and a closed system, yeah? You know what the difference between an open and a closed system is, yes?
Yeah.
Awesome stuff. So
Actually, I just want to talk. Wait, can you like mute that guy because he's kind of annoying?
What's the difference, fucking?
You're so annoying.
Yeah, we'll mute your dumbass. You said you knew the difference. What's the difference between an open and a closed system? You'll fuck it up because you fucked up entropy, right? Fuck it up.
Oh, I muted that quantum guy because he keeps muting me.
Yeah,
so like I don't hear what he
clown.
says. So maybe you can type in the chat because.
Fuck off. Your sister can type in the chat.
Entropy has to do with systems, so it's a ratio. So you have like a high to low pressure area or high to low temperature area. High temperature wants to move towards low temperature. High pressure wants to move towards low pressure.
He didn't ask him that. He didn't ask him that, lunatic. He asked him the difference between an open and a closed system.
Well, if you're looking in the chat, it was brought up. So
I don't give a fuck about chat. What's the difference?
This guy's kind of annoying. I don't. I would like to talk about the
closed system. You said you knew the difference between an open and a closed system. What's the difference?
Okay.
Okay. You had enough time to fucking delay to look it up.
All right. Yeah. Actually, ask him instead of just what's a closed system. Define what type.
I muted the annoying guy, so I can't even.
Oh, he can't hear you, QE. So that's not going to work. markoooo, that's not going to work. You're going to have to let him speak. Otherwise, the two of you will talk over each other, and all conversations will be erratic.
He's going to fucking mute me. I just exposed him. Mae West is blushing in the corner.
But listen, about systems. What types of systems are there, markoooo? He's going to open your mic.
Closed and open systems.
There's more than that. What else?
Oh, this guy keeps muting me. It's kind of annoying. I won't talk when other.
All right. He's not muting you for now. What other system is there?
Closed, open. Oh, there's semi-closed and open, right?
No.
You're a fucking moron. There is no semi-closed and semi-open. There's open, closed, and isolated systems. You fucking wiki parroting crayon muncher. Your fingers aren't fucking fast enough in Google, are they?
Oh wait, actually there is like semi.
Shut the
No, there aren't. There is not.
No.
There is not.
No. If it like a door or a window, if it is a little bit open, it's fucking open. All right? It's either open or it's closed. So you understand that the Earth is declared to be an open system, yes? Free transfer of matter and energy, right? Rockets to the moon and all that jazz.
Yeah.
Yeah, so within an open system, that means the gas that me and you were breathing, that'd be matter and shit, would be free to disperse into the lower pressure environment, that being the vacuum of space. As in, if the Earth was an open system, me, you, and everybody else wouldn't be breathing right now. You see, we're also breathing gas pressure. And the necessary antecedent for gas pressure is, well, it's in the word pressure. It needs something to press upon, a physical barrier or a container. Like when you pump gas into a tire, into that fixed volume, the gas is pressing on the walls of the container and, hey, presto, gas pressure. We're breathing gas pressure that is declared to be with an open system, devoid of the antecedent of something to fucking press upon, and being as there's no physical container keeping the gas here, it should, according to the second law of thermodynamics, disperse into the vacuum of space. So therefore, the vacuum of space is hereby debunked because it violates natural law. You're breathing right now.
I want him to understand. I want him to understand the differences. I want him, before laughing, I want him to understand the differences between an open and a closed and an isolated system. We need to bring up the actual physics definitions of these things for him to read. Like an isolated system, it cannot gain energy through any type, no energy induced to the system, completely blocked out. Whereas a closed system can allow like thermal energy, but not physical things. So like no photons can pass through, no no air can pass through. That's a closed system. An open system allows both energy and physical, like atoms, like matter. Yes, that's the word. Right. So you need to understand the difference between this. So
no, he doesn't. How the fuck is he still breathing? No, he doesn't. How the fuck are you still breathing, Markoooo, and that wench you got beside you?
Hey, listen here, neckbeard.
Oh, sorry. She's like a little autistic.
That's
That's fine. But do you, my friend, understand what I just explained to you?
Yeah, I know, like the open closed system, like you need something to keep the air in. Yeah.
Yeah. So when they say there's nothing to keep the air in, then there wouldn't be any
I was
air
saying,
here.
like, can I like talk or like, am I gonna get like?
Why would you talk? You don't
Okay,
know
never
what the
mind.
second
Okay,
law.
then I'm just gonna leave because you're kind of annoying.
Entropy. So
I'm trying to talk, and you're like not letting me speak.
Open up his mic so he can talk. Is that what you're saying? Go ahead, talk and train wreck yourself.
Okay, and then be quiet.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Okay, then I'm not.
You don't have enough fucking cash in that ass to tell me to be quiet, sunshine.
Yeah, but his girlfriend that's got a neck beard might.
What the fuck, man? So how the fuck are you and that wench still breathing?
Can I? So I was gonna say like when I like drop my phone, like the gravity. So like, isn't
you
that
drop
like
your phone? That's gravity. You dumb fuck. Well, I drop a helium balloon. What the fuck happens then?
Goes up
because helium weighs less.
Oh,
no,
where's
hold
gravity
on.
at, dumb fuck?
No. When you drop your rock, it goes down. Uncontained gas. Which direction does it go? Well, it goes in all directions. Tire. Your girlfriend's got pissed off of you and slashed your tires. Which way does the gas go? The gas moves freely and randomly in all directions. So you can say gravity all you want. I'll tell you what, I'll give it to you. Gravity exists. But observably, it's not affecting gas. Gravity's just a vector down. You drop a rock, gas disperses in all directions. Gravity is not the thing you think it is, mate. In actual fact, there's no scientific experiment that proves it. But it's not affecting gas either way.
Damn, Erastatines.
Oh. Why do you get to say that and then I get to say something and then I'm wrong and you're right?
Because you're a dumb fuck?
Because I am right.
And you're wrong.
Because the things that are here, no matter how harsh they seem, these things are backed up by actual science. You are just saying things.
Yeah, he's just saying things. Can you provide scientific evidence for gravity?
I don't know. It took like people. I just came here just to learn.
Do you know what fucking scientific evidence even is? And can you define gravity for everyone in the room, please?
Like a force going down, right? That's like
things going down. What about helium going up?
Because like when the force of like helium, I don't know why. I need to like look that up or something.
Why do planes fly?
The force. Why do planes fly? What the fuck? Can you shut her up?
Yeah, please, sweetheart.
For the rest of us.
That's a him.
Is it?
Oh,
How come the plane doesn't go down if it flies? You're saying gravity doesn't
go down if it flies. What about a helium balloon? Listen, let's get back to gravity. Define gravity. What is gravity?
How do birds like fly? Like
not how do birds fucking these idiot fucking morons always go to birds. Define gravity, dumb fuck.
We don't hello?
Define it.
I'll join in.
Oh, my roommate wants to join in. No.
Oh, I'll tell you what. I hope he has a physics degree. Let's get his CV. What is he?
How many numbers can define?
I'm chemical engineering.
Oh yeah, you're a chemical. I'm gonna hand you your fucking dumb ass.
I'm a data scientist.
Yeah, I'm your fucking huckleberry. So, define gravity right now.
It's going down. Like I don't know. We kind of define it.
The fucking going down. I don't think so. Define gravity. Citation, please.
Okay.
Do you even know what a citation is? What's a citation? Let's start there.
At the end.
I know. Let's just fucking start at the beginning. What are your ABCs?
A,
D,
C,
D,
E.
You know this one?
Can they hear us right now?
Yeah.
Yo, try.
Well, you couldn't finish it. You fucking retards.
Wait, why are we talking about ABCs?
Well, we have to start at the beginning because you can't define gravity. You're like, oh, duh. What's fucking gravity, Crayon Muncher?
The park. Oh.
What's gravity?
What's define gravity? Go.
Gravity is a constant downward force applied by everything due to the Earth.
A constant downward force applied by everything is the dumbest fucking thing I ever heard. So the objects that have this downward force, by the way, a downward force of gravity was debunked 108 years ago. You haven't been keeping up on your continuing education credits. So a downward force applied by so it is the object that's applying the force, you fucking retards.
Wait, can we talk?
Can you unmute?
No, oh yeah.
Yeah, can we talk? No, we can't. Because you just exposed your... Mae West is over in the fucking corner. Her and baby Huey and Mr. Magoo are belly laughing over in the corner over your horse shit. That's why.
Do you want to like? Can I talk, or do you want to like?
Can I talk? The dumbest motherfucker in the room. Can I talk? Yeah, go ahead and talk. What you gonna say next?
Oh, I'm just gonna say hi. Like, how was your day?
Fuck off.
Oh God, that's not going to help you. Okay, let's try and help this along.
Hey,
My friend,
this guy's smart.
would you mind if I asked you 3 questions, my friend?
I didn't know. Oh yeah,
God.
sure.
Okay, cool. Would you know at any point in history how the Earth was measured to have drop over distance or curvature? Do you know when, how, or who that was done by?
Hey,
how the Earth was measured
Jedi.
to have curvature?
Hey, Jedi, hold up before those
Okay.
3 questions because he appealed to gravity.
Okay, buddy.
And I'll give you the 3 questions. Hold on a second. So you appealed to gravity. Can you explain just briefly,
your questions because you're
markoooo,
I'll answer if Jedi asks.
dumb fuck, the water cycle for us, please? Just briefly.
Evaporation.
Okay, you got it.
Condensation.
Aberration. What's an aberration? For fuck.
Evaporation, you dumb fuck.
Evaporation. Oh, let's see how much of a dumb fuck I am. So, evaporation, what happens?
Water goes up into the atmosphere.
Water goes, what direction does it go?
Upwards.
Up. What does your fuckwit gravity say?
Because energy, bro.
What does your fuckwit gravity say? The direction or the vector? You don't know what a vector is, so I'll just say direction. The direction is which way?
Dense than air. It's less dense than air.
That's not gravity. We're talking about density, not your fucking gravity. So, water goes which way?
Okay, so like when you go up into...
So, water goes which way?
Because there's less fucking...
So, water goes which way? From the surface of the earth? Where your fuckwit gravity, that you can't define, pulls things down to the center of mass, pulls everything down to the center of mass. Which way does water go when it evaporates?
Okay, so like when you're in a plane...
So when water evaporates, which direction does it go?
I'm not going to answer until you like...
Oh. Meanwhile, your fuckwit gravity that you can't define says that everything goes down. The antithesis of what it's fucking doing in reality.
Okay, so when you go up a...
Fuck you. You're a dumb fuck. You don't know what gravity is. You don't know what gas pressure is. You don't know what the second law of thermodynamics is. Why the fuck should we talk to you?
Because he needs educating. Because he thinks he's living on a spinning ball, and
All
he
right,
isn't.
go ahead. I just
I'm
wanted
sorry.
to make a point.
I think you've beaten
No,
the mission well enough.
Mark, are you still there?
Yeah. Wait, Jedi. Can I ask you a question and then can you answer it?
Yeah, of course. Go on.
Shut the fuck up.
Apparently not.
You have your little power trip? I think he's like, okay, pick.
Shut your fucking pie hole.
I mean, I want to speak to him, but that's just funny. That's funny.
What the fuck are we entertaining these retards for?
Because we like to hear the penny drop, and after I've been bashed around the
Jedi. All right,
I know.
enough.
Wait, can I ask or?
Go on. Here's your question, mate.
Okay,
Go on,
so like the guy was like, so like it's like known that like when you go up a mountain, you have to have like something like to help you breathe because there's less air at the top. So like, why is it?
That's a gas pressure. Yeah, that's a gas pressure gradient. So up there's less gas pressure. Down here, where the gas is produced on the surface of the Earth with the chemical and biological cycles, where all the fucking gas is, it's more gas pressure down here. But the thing is, you can only have a gas pressure gradient within a container because you must achieve gas pressure in the first place. What you're talking about with a gas pressure gradient is delta X. You must achieve delta in the first instance. To achieve gas pressure, you must have a container, something physical for the gas to press upon.
There's an atmosphere, but there's no vacuum in space, so it doesn't pull that.
Atmosphere? What the fuck? That's a contradiction in terms. Atmo means air. Air is a gas. Sphere is a shape. Gases have no inherent shape. And appealing to a fucking delta X, that is gas pressure gradients, when the question is, how do you have gas pressure? X. So where do you get X first? And then we'll discuss delta X. Do you understand that X comes before delta X, crayon munchers?
Oh wait, hello.
Hi.
Fuck you.
We're watching Malcolm in the Middle. Do you guys want to watch this?
Fuck off.
There was somebody in the background who said that vacuums don't suck. Yeah, no shit, they fucking don't. The gas disperses into space.
Fucking clown fuck. I'm gonna stop. I'll tell you what. I already ripped your damn head off intellectually and shit down your neck. So you just think you're gonna whistle past the graveyard here? Do you think you have something in the hopper, you dumb fuck baltards, that's gonna prove you're sphere tard? Yeah. How do you have X, not delta X? Define gas pressure with citation, please.
He's deafened himself.
He should. If you deafened yourself, you're fucking gone. And I don't usually ban people, but you're fucking out. I didn't ban you. I just kicked your ass out.
There you go. You can come back.
Deafen that, motherfucker.
Oh, dear.
Oh, your dumbass is back. So which comes first, X or delta X?
Wait, can I try to?
Oh, my friend wants to talk. Noah?
Your friend.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, friends. How are you?
Hopefully he's smarter than you are.
Yo, hello.
Hello, friend. How are you?
I'm good, friend. Is that Jedi? Is that the civilized chap in here?
That's what I pretend to be, yeah. That's what I pretend to be. Go on, what do you want to jump in for, mate?
You're a pussy too, aren't you?
He's British, man.
Yeah. That answers the question.
What?
He just came here.
Sorry, friend. What?
Go ahead,
what
Jedi.
do you want?
Sorry.
What do you want, friend?
Debate flat Earth.
Debate
Awesome stuff.
flat Earth. Let's debate your sphere tard.
Hey, wait. Let me talk to the guy talking right now.
Thread of scientific evidence for your heliocentric ball tard spinning space monkey religion.
Oh, so
now it's
okay. So quantum eraser. Can you let me go through my whole thing without muting me?
Shut the fuck up.
You want a whole spiel? Like, what is your thing? Like, what does that mean? Like, are you gonna address points, or do you want to present like some bullshit?
You ain't presenting shit, you clown fuck. Like your idiot retard brethren there. Listen closely. Please provide one shred of scientific evidence for your heliocentric, ball-tard, spinning space monkey religion. Go.
All right, you seem like a redneck. So.
Well, your sister didn't seem to mind. So, again, please provide one shred of scientific evidence for your globe-tard, ball-tard.
I'm the redneck, by the way.
I didn't see who said that.
Yeah, no, she doesn't even wear shoes. I swear to God.
So, again, for the third time, please provide one shred of scientific evidence. Did you hear that? Scientific evidence? Because this is your ass. You don't know it, but this is your ass from the next words that come out of your mouth. So, please provide one shred of scientific evidence for your heliocentric, ball-tard, spinning space monkey religion. Go.
Okay, do first-person accounts count as scientific evidence?
First-person account? You don't know what scientific evidence is, like I fucking told you. What's natural science, Crayon Muncher? Yeah, fucking crickets, because you're a pretender clown, just like Markoooo and his boyfriend. Right? So, you delayed long enough. What is natural science?
What is natural science?
That's right.
What the fuck are you even talking about, man?
That's what we're fucking talking about here, you dipshit crayon muncher. What's natural science?
Wait.
Wait, what? Wait, what? What? What?
A Navy sniper has to...
Fucking Navy sniper. You're a fucking dipshit.
Do you know what science
is? Natural science.
Jedi, can I talk to you?
Do you know what the scientific method is? Do you know what the scientific method is?
Don't go there, Lou. What's natural science? And don't appeal to Jedi. He isn't going to save your dumb ass.
Love Jedi.
Yeah, you bet. Because he puts up with your horse shit.
Kiwi, we got to be able to help them a little bit against you. You're
we can't.
Unrelenting. Like
No. What is natural science?
Oh, Jedi or Lou, you guys want to...
Yeah, that's right.
No, look, man. I'll throw Q's in there, and I'll get shushed by QE. But that's like I'm just trying to help you. You got to take your cues. You know what I mean?
Yes, they don't even realize it that they're showing their Do 7 offsuit. They still think they're at the fucking table. You fucking retarded clowns.
You let me finish?
I'll let you finish. Go ahead. What's natural science?
The reason that QE is not letting you finish is because every time you start to speak, what we hear is a how to debate flat earth manual, and it's silly.
No, when you said
that's where we're at. He's asking you.
Let's go.
We don't have a flat earth manual.
Can you explain?
Can I explain? No, you're gonna fucking be explaining. What is natural science?
Shut the fuck up, white trash.
Shut white trash. Your sister said she didn't seem to mind. What is natural science, Crayon Muncher?
You tried to make a joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, like literally, just answer this question. Do you know what science is?
Natural science. What is it?
I've never heard of the term natural science.
Holy fucking shit. That doesn't surprise me.
How's he a chem student? Why'd you lie?
I'm not the chem student, and can you explain what natural science is?
Why would I? Why would I explain? How much cash you got?
Well, you could explain to him if he's already conceded. Why not?
Why should I? He's the one providing scientific evidence for his spinning baltard. Why should I provide what he's fucking claiming?
The study of the natural world, cause and effect relationships.
Holy shit. They ain't going to get that. That's a little disjointed there, brother. What is natural science? It's a simple question. You've had enough time to Google this shit. I mean, come on now. What is natural science? Let's go.
You don't know.
Say the answer. You don't know either. You're just making up some random shit.
Oh, shit,
I'm just making up.
No.
Jedi, do you want these idiots? I got to take a break.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Go and take your break now. We appreciate it.
Are you ready for the retardedness?
Yeah, of course I am, yeah. Always, 24/7.
There you go. There's
Quantum
Jedi.
Eraser. Say it. I don't think you know the definition.
This is what happens when you let Xanax start the night.
Even though I couldn't say the definition for the past fucking 10 minutes. But Quantum Eraser, you don't know the definition. Yeah, that's a real great argument. You fucking window licking knuckle dragon mouth breather.
Yeah, no, he'll give you the definition when the time is right. I tried to cut the
5-year-old lie.
Shut the fuck up. So, train wreck yourselves again. I'm going to give you to the terrorist sympathizer, Jedi, as far as you know, right now. So, here's Jedi.
That's brilliant. Hello.
All right, whatever.
There you
Jedi,
go.
I'll talk to you.
Let's parlay. What's up?
So just give me the common answer. Even if this is a commonly asked question to you folk, I've never heard the response. All right.
Okay.
You folk. Fuck you. How about you retarded folk?
Yeah, actually, I would like to add in there.
Kiwi, he jumped in at the same point I wanted to jump in, only because this is a fair point to say. Listen, you're teetering on bigotry lines here. Like, what do you like? That's problem number one. You probably won't get that either. You need to just fuck it, man. Just let Jedi have like
just pass the baton to Jedi.
His arrogance and ignorance about what science is, like natural science.
Listen,
let me just finish this. Like we will explain it to you. But like saying you people and how you define it, like or your that type of stuff. This is some bullshit because this is literally what your side, the scientific realm, says. It's not us saying it; it's your guys saying it. So the fact that you are ignorant to it doesn't give you any kind of like +1.
No, it's that they snatched their own wig off already. So, but Jedi, I'm sorry, this was a little bit of Indian given. I'm sorry. I'm gonna let you have them. All right.
I don't believe you anymore. You've said that 10 times.
I'm gonna walk away. I'm gonna walk away, and then I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes. You can believe me. Here I go. There, go, Jedi.
Go Jedi. Woo. Markoo's mate. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready now. He's done. He's done.
So that question, what did you want to ask us?
Okay, so like if a Navy sniper is shooting at a target that's very far away, say they have to account for the curvature of the Earth. They have to aim a little higher. They have to make calculations. That's part of their training. Why would that be part of their training? Why are there first-hand accounts that say they have to do that if it's fake?
Wait, also he hasn't been on YouTube. He just
my God. Okay, so calculations can be in books that snipers use. Okay, because the Earth is a ball. I could point out direct line of sight targeting. So not a sniper with a rifle, a laser on a boat targeting a ship 100 miles away that's required to have a direct line of sight. So if the Earth was a ball, you wouldn't.
Wait.
Well, let's put it like this. You're talking about shooting a gun. I'm talking about shooting a laser.
Yeah, because there's bullet.
Right?
It doesn't matter. There's no gravity affecting a laser.
Oh, yeah, which is a problem. Which is a problem.
Well, hold
Right?
on, sorry.
Listen. So, direct line of sight laser targeting systems require the surface of the Earth to be level because they go up to distances of 100 miles from ship at sea to ship at sea. So, you can talk all you want about shooting a little gun, but the militaries of the world use laser targeting systems which require a direct line of sight. If the surface of the Earth was curved, you wouldn't have that direct line of sight. So, what? Bullets drop over distance. It's not really proof that the Earth is a ball. You might find calculations within a manual, but ultimately there are other things that you will demonstrate to have a direct line of sight to. Do you want another question? This one's shit.
But you can't shine a flash of light across the whole Earth and expect it to come all the way back around. The Earth is so big that you can shine a direct line of sight laser a long distance without it going over the horizon line.
How big's the Earth?
It can't get all the way back around.
How big's the Earth? How big's the Earth?
I don't fucking know how big's the Earth. Who has that information?
Okay, let me tell you. Hold on. Dude, would you agree that the Earth has been given us... Yeah, would you agree that the Earth has been given a definite size, radius, diameter, and circumference, for example? We know how big the ball is, right?
Sure, yeah.
Awesome. So it's 3,959 miles in radius, for example. So if we agree that mass exists, we can figure out where the geometric horizon should be for an observer standing at altitude on that curved surface. That calculation is 1.25 miles times the square root of the observer's height in feet. I'll break that all down for you in a minute, mate. But basically, if you stand on a curved surface, it's just a mathematical calculation to figure out where the horizon would be, right?
Yeah, I understand all that. That makes sense.
Good stuff. So, have you ever heard the argument that I can't see the bottom of that boat because the curve of the Earth is in the way? Usually said by ancient Greeks.
All right. Wait, I didn't catch the start of that. You repeat that?
Okay. Have you ever heard the argument, I cannot see the bottom of that boat because the curve of the Earth is in the way?
Can I see the bottom of the boat? No, I've never heard that argument.
Okay, so you understand that if you're on a curved surface with distance, that curved surface is going to get in the way of things?
It has to do with gravity.
If they're far enough away, yes, sure.
Yeah,
I think he's a true beginner, mate.
He is a true beginner, you're absolutely right. So, if we've got the size of the Earth at 3,959 miles, and if we stand at altitude on that curved surface, the calculation to find the geometric horizon is 1.2 times the square root of the observer's height in feet. So, if you're 1 foot above the surface of the Earth over water, the horizon can only be 1.25 miles away, right? The thing that you're supposed to be dropping your bullet over, mate.
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
No, somebody else. I waste my fucking...
Oh, he's gone. All right.
Let's just leave.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, man.
How do I leave?
You guys have a long way to go.
Dude, anytime they start talking about snipers and Earth Curve, they play too many fucking shooters on video games. They think because they play Battlefield or Call of Duty, like Battlefield specifically, like they did this a long time ago, where it included bullet drop and whatever else. Like they think that on a video game that because they're aiming above somebody's head, that they're accounting for Earth Curve.
Wait, I'll just go ahead and say it because I was in the military. So you understand when you shoot a bullet, it rises and then it falls?
They gone.
Oh, they're gone?
Pretty sure.
Oh, well.
Jedi left too. What?
Well, he won. Why stick around? He already won. Go to bed.
Yeah. But anyway, if anybody ever says that, bullets, snipers, and curvature of the Earth, I mean, bullets just rise and they drop. They don't go over any curvature. That's all you got to tell them. There's no calculation of curvature. The bullet rises and then it falls, and all you do is you calculate for wind, and so you need markers out in the distance in order to.
Yeah. In long distances, you might also account for your rifle barreling, which is almost always consistent. It like spins one way, but some guns go the other way. So that's the Magnus effect. You're putting a spin on the bullet, and it's going to drift one way or another based off of that.
Right, kind of like bowling.
Yeah,
it's not hard to understand. Like only somebody who's never shot a gun long distance couldn't understand it. Someone who's never taken the time to actually go out and do that.
I mean, the Magnus effect thing, I can tell it to you very simply, like just playing disc golf. Like if you've ever thrown a Frisbee, let's say you're a right-hander and you throw a forearm, like a normal Frisbee throw, right?
Mm-hmm.
Every time you throw it, it'll go straight for a little while. And then as it slows down because of the spin of the disc, it'll fade off to the left. Mm-hmm. But if I throw forearm, which is like underhand, sidearm kind of a thing, right? I'll put the opposite spin on it, and when it slows down, it'll fade to the right. Okay? Now, the same thing happens in reverse with a left-hander. So, but that's the Magnus effect. It's about the spin that you're putting on the disc.
Yeah. No, it's simple, and I don't know. Like when Platter asked me, he said, why do they invoke the Coriolis effect? Like in the video games, all they do is they tell you there's a Coriolis effect, but it's not there. It's just an imaginary thing. There's no calculation in it.
Well,
there ain't nothing going on.
Let's get this straight.
And it's a video game.
The Coriolis effect. No, you're fine. Coriolis effect, exists, but it doesn't at all happen because the Earth does the Earth, because the Earth doesn't move.
Yeah. The question is Earth-based Coriolis.
Yeah, that's
exactly.
Yeah.
Like Coriolis effect, we can say it happens. It's not a force; it's an effect, like that you see from an observer's point of view. So,
like on a merry-go-round.
We know that this object is traveling straight, but because of my point of view on a rotating plane, it appears to curve, right? Like if I'm on a merry-go-round and somebody throws a ball over the top of it, from my point of view, it appears to curve, but we know it's actually going straight due to the Newton's law, the momentum, the momentum law. Fucking
Second law.
Yeah. Anyway. So momentum keeps like an object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an opposing force, right? It doesn't change direction. It keeps going in that direction. We're not opposing a force. We're only viewing it and seeing it appear to move. It's not actually moving or changing direction. So that's real. Now, when it comes to the Earth-based Coriolis, like you first have to prove that you live on a ball. You have to prove, secondly, that it's spinning. And you have to know its exact size. Like you don't know any of this shit. It's saying snipers account for it. Give me an instance where they actually did that. Because you don't have any. It's a claim that fucking gamers make.
Yeah. No, it's true.
Tags! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.